fertilization and implantation. In the process of fertilization, a sperm meets zona pellucida membrane of the ovum to block the entry of additional sperms. Therefore, only one sperm is successful in fertilizing one ovum. The acrosome of the sperm releases the enzyme acrosin, dissolves the membrane of the zona pellucida and the plasma membrane. This helps in the entry of sperm into cytoplasm of ovum. In the secondary oocyte, complete meiotic division takes place to produce second polar body and a haploid ovum, the ootid. As a result of fusion of haploid nucleus of sperm and ovum, a diploid zygote is formed. This is called syngamy. The chromosome pattern in female is XX and that in male is XY. The female gamete ovum has sex chromosome X and the male gamete sperm is with either sex chromosome X or Y. It means 50% of sperms carry X chromosome while other 50% of sperms carry Y chromosome. By the fusion of male and female gametes, a zygote is formed with either XX or XY chromosomes. The zygote with XX chromosomes would develop into a female baby and that with XY chromosomes would develop into a male. Therefore, sex of the baby is determined by the father. As zygote moves through the isthmus of the oviduct towards the uterus, mitotic division starts in the zygote. This type of division is called as cleavage and includes 2, 4, 8, 16 daughter cells called as blastomeres. The embryo with 16 to 32 blastomeres is called as morula. The repeated divisions of cells in the morula forms blastocyst, which moves into uterus. The outer layer of blastocyst is called as trophoblast and in a group of cells is called as inner cell mass. Implantation. The trophoblast assists in the attachment of the blastocyst to the endometrium of the uterus. The inner cell mass gets differentiated into an embryo. After the attachment, the uterine cells divide rapidly to cover the blastocyst and it becomes embedded in the endometrium of the uterus. This is called implantation, which leads to pregnancy.